This is the Bookkeeping Business in a Box Ultimate Bundle. 5 products in one download. The Startup Playbook and Client Forms, 2 dashboard apps, a bookkeeping spreadsheet, and an ADHD Bookkeeper Command Center. Let me walk you through everything inside. The foundation is the Bookkeeping Business in a box, and at its heart is this operations playbook. It's the complete operating system for a profitable practice. How to price your work, how to scope a cleanup, running a monthly close, and the year 1 map to grow. It's the whole system in plain English. You also get the Client Forms pack, the paperwork a bookkeeping business actually runs on, engagement letters, onboarding checklists, and a first day kit. So when you land a client, you look buttoned up from the very first email instead of scrambling. And a pricing guide and calculator help you answer the hardest question in this business: what to charge. It turns the size and mess of a client's books into a monthly fee you can quote with confidence, so you're pricing on value instead of guessing. First, the Practice Management app. It opens in any browser, no install and no subscription, and it runs your whole book of business on one screen. Your active clients, your monthly recurring revenue, your close status, and anything overdue that needs attention today. These tiles are your practice health at a glance. In this sample, 12 active clients, monthly recurring revenue, hours logged, and a 94% on-time close rate. It tracks your client tiers, deadlines, capacity, and pricing, all in one place. The second app is a client-ready cash flow dashboard. This is the one you put in front of a client. Cash on hand, income and expenses this month, and the number owners really want, their runway, how many months of cash they have if nothing changes. It projects the cash balance 30, 60, and 90 days out, charts the 6-month trend, and shows where the money is going by category. It's the kind of advisory picture that turns you from a data entry bookkeeper into a trusted advisor. The fourth product is the Service Business Bookkeeping Spreadsheet for Excel and Google Sheets. This is the one you'll actually keep up with for your own books or a client's. Its dashboard fills itself in the moment you log income or an expense, revenue, expenses, net profit, and margin, all calculated for you. Behind it is a proper profit and loss statement, month by month, built on the real Schedule C expense categories, from advertising and contract labor to software, insurance, and meals. Your net profit is on the bottom line, ready for tax time or a client review. There's an invoice tracker that flags at a glance what's been paid and what's overdue, plus an income ledger where every payment is tagged by client, category, and method. Nothing slips through the cracks. And like every spreadsheet in the bundle, it comes in 3 looks: colorful, light, and dark. Same formulas underneath, so you and your clients can each work the way your eyes like it. The bundle's exclusive 5th product is the ADHD Bookkeeper Command Center, a 20-tab planner built for busy brains. This is the Today screen, and everything on it pulls from the other tabs, so your whole practice lands on one calm page instead of a dozen scattered reminders. At the top, only what matters today, closes due, anything overdue, unpaid invoices, and a gentle top 3. So on a scattered day, when everything feels urgent, you always know the next right move. Below that, your whole week on one screen. The monthly closes, filing deadlines, the document chase with clients, reconciliations you're behind on, and your practice's recurring revenue. And it's kind about it, reminding you that a blank day is just a blank day. Begin again whenever you're ready. So here's how it fits together. Use the playbook and forms to start out and land clients. Run your practice and wow clients with the 2 apps. Keep the books in the spreadsheet and run your week from the command center. Everything works in Excel, Google Sheets, and any browser with nothing to subscribe to. And that's the whole Bookkeeping Ultimate Bundle. 5 products, 57 files, 1 download, together for less than they'd cost apart. It's a one-time purchase, yours forever, and you'll find it on Etsy from the link in the description. Thanks for watching. And here's to books that finally stay caught up.